Hey guys, today I have a video for you if you have been struggling with porn and been wanting to quit watching porn but have not been that successful. I'm gonna give you some of the techniques that I use with my private clients to help them quit their porn addiction and get their power back in their life and their mojo and their energy. I am Sane, the Intimacy Angel, and I am here to help you bring your sexy back in life. So the very first place to start is to be honest with yourself. Number one, you have to admit that there is an issue. And sometimes that's the hardest part. Maybe you're thinking, I don't have that much of a problem. I only need porn every now and then, or, like every day. It's not that much. Well, here's the thing. If you can't masturbate without porn, then you are watching too much of porn and you need to take a porn break. Now, I'm not saying that porn is good or bad. It's more about how you use it and how much of it. And more specifically, I want to ask you, are you feeling like you've got all the energies that you want in the world, like you're on top of the world every day, you can accomplish anything you want, and that you can focus, that your boners are strong, that you feel connected to your body? If you've answered yes to everything and you're still watching porn and there's no other issues, then no problem, keep watching porn. But if you've answered no to some of these questions, then porn is probably having some impact in your life that you want to get rid of. So there's really two ways to deal with that. Number one is to go cold turkey, where you just decide that from now on you are not going to watch porn, and this can be really difficult. What I do see is that at first it's somewhat easy, and then you hit a roadblock, and it can be really hard to not be tempted and watch porn again. And so I would recommend that if you do choose to go with the cold turkey approach, that you have a support system in place. There are forums on the internet and areas where men can get together and talk about their experience and quitting porn and maybe relapsing or not relapsing. Like, they give each other like that support that sometimes is needed. This solution of going cold turkey is definitely not for everyone, and it is a difficult one. So what I found that works best is to be a little bit more gradual in how you stop watching porn. So rather than blaming yourself all the time about the fact that you are watching porn and that makes the problem even worse, I want you to start to give yourself permission to really enjoy porn for what it is when you see it. Now remember, porn is entertainment. Porn is not education, but you can enjoy it as you can enjoy a good movie. So what you want to do in that scenario is you want to take a good look at how much porn are you currently watching. How much porn would you like to be watching for, like, ideally? And I would say that maybe watching once a week or once every 2 weeks then becomes like a good regimen. And I want you to put how much time you want to be watching porn for. And this is really up to you. Some people say, I'll just watch 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 1 hour. I wouldn't go more than an hour. It's quite a bit of time, an hour. Like 10 minutes probably feels about right. Now what you need to do is to give yourself permission that at a certain time of the day, a certain day of the week, you are giving yourself permission to watch porn. You are, however, not watching porn any other days of that week. But you know that, let's say you said that it was on Friday night at 5 p.m. That's the day where you get to enjoy your porn for 10 minutes. So when Friday comes and it's 5 o'clock, go and watch your porn, put your timer on, enjoy it, and just really be present in that experience. And what you'll notice is that over time, when Monday comes around and you're like, oh, I want to watch porn, you're like, well, it's actually going to be on Friday. You are going to be delaying it every single day. Yes, it's coming, and it's on Friday. And after you've been doing this for a while, you might start to notice that you need it less and less. That maybe when Friday comes around, you might be like, you know, this week I'm going to skip it. And that's one way that is very successful for my clients in quitting porn, in watching less, in going for long periods of times without having to watch porn. So I would recommend that you give it a try and see how that works for you. Now, because we've taken porn out of your life, it's important that you bring in more things in your life also that bring you joy and pleasure and connection, because you want to feel that you're getting your needs for connection met in different ways. So you want to see real human beings, you want to be outdoor in nature, you want to be physical in your body, you want to give yourself permission to do things that really make you feel good, so that you don't go through a time where you're like, I don't have anything. You know, it's kind of like if you tell yourself like, I'm not eating sugar anymore, but then you take everything away and then it's too hard. But if you give yourself permission to have this one little piece of chocolate a day, then that's how you can make it through. That's the similar idea. So you have two choices. Remember, either go cold turkey but get some support, or gradually give yourself 1 day a week for a short period of time that you're going to watch it and see over time if you still need it, and maybe you won't, or maybe you'll keep it, but that's going to be a much more reduced time than what you currently do. And of course, because you've removed the porn, bring in more things that bring you joy, pleasure, and make sure that you focus on the connection with other human beings in your life so that you can feel fulfilled and full in your life. All right, I hope today's video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.